Welcome back to FamilySearch and web indexing. Let's continue with indexing our batch. We've recently completed step 1 in the prior video, and now we'll move on to step 2 where we index the records. I've had my project instructions open. I'm going to read through these carefully and come to understand the things that are important about this project. There's very critical things here that we need to understand about what not to index, what to index, and how to index it. These are things general to the entire project. I'm going to close these, and I am going to next learn how to move my image around. I want to make sure that I'm able to easily position it, zoom in or zoom out so that I can see the proper information. I'm going to click on this question mark on the ship name field. This will open up my field help, and here I can quickly read through and see the specifics about this field. I can enlarge the images for the examples, and I can read if there's any particular instructions. For instance, in this project, the ship name, we do not want to include the SS at the beginning of the ship. You should ignore that. So I can either close the field help, and let me just show you that as I change fields, you'll see that the field help automatically changes with you. So I'm going to close field help, and let's index our first field, which is ship name. Now this looks like a difficult one, and so I am going to just make up a ship name because I can't read that. I know that's not correct, but it'll work for our purposes. And I can see here that the date is 1924. And now I'm looking for the names of people that are listed down here in the register area. This is deserting seamen, and here we can find the names, the age, the nationality, and then when and where they signed on. So let's go through these fields. Now if I have any questions about reading the handwriting, I can click up here on this icon, and I can quickly look at examples of various writing styles and see if these give me any help in determining this information. So the given name is the first and middle name of the person. Notice when I type, I don't have to hit the caps to make the C capital. It automatically capitalizes the first letter. So as I go through here, I'm going to enter this as best I can interpret it, and I just tab through each field, or I can press enter. If I'm on a tablet or a touch screen, I can simply tap into the next field. Now this form does not show a gender, and since it's showing me by this asterisk that this is a required field, it wants me to put something in, but the information simply isn't there. I can either go up here and use this icon for marking this particular field blank, or it tells me I can press Command B on a Mac, or it's Control B on Windows, and I can mark this field blank. So I'll click on the icon, and you'll see that it's put these brackets and the word blank there, and it automatically advances me to the next field. Now the country of origin here is, it says Chinese, so I'm going to type exactly what it says. And now I'm done. Those are all of the fields that we need for this particular record. Now the person who indexed before me had created multiple records. So you can see that I have 5 records. If I tab, I simply move to the next record, or I can use these arrows to navigate. And so again, I go through, and I'm going to continue indexing with starting with the ship name, the arrival year 1924. I'll move my image down to see the next name in the list, and here's my next name, and I'll go ahead and enter that in. So I'd continue this and finish up all of these names. When I get to my final record, I want to make sure that the records that I've entered are correct, that I have all of them, and that I have the right number of records. You can see here there's only 4 names, but I have 5 records. Let's go ahead and delete this record. So I click the delete icon and I say I want to delete the current record, record 5, and now I'm down to 4 records. So once I've completed entering all of these 4 records, then I'm going to move on to quality check. And that concludes this video.